you're looking for a watercolor set that's small but that's got big possibilities, look no further than the Marie's Sketch and Go watercolor set. It's a perfect little set of 18 half pans that comes with everything you need for taking your watercolor anywhere you'd like to be. It's got great little paper inside so that you can get all of your colors out and have like a legend for them. 18 half pans, a small natural sponge, a little water dish if you need it, and a water brush that's ready to go. No more carrying cups, no more carrying, anything but maybe a water bottle in case you need a sip or two and need to refill. This little set, once it's folded up, is the perfect little size to just carry art with you wherever you need to be. The colors are vibrant, they're light fast. Really, with this set of 18, it's got all the color combinations you need to make virtually any color for yourself. And they activate super easily. Just a little bit of water on the brush. We can put color right on there. Easy to move around. You've got a fine point if you need it, but it's large enough where you can really move color around by squeezing that barrel and make a nice wash for yourself. So the Marie's Sketch and Go set, you can take it anywhere that you need to do watercolor.